Okay, just give you a brief overview of our new repair workshop. So this area here is the decontamination area where we unpack all the hand pieces, whether they come in repair boxes or repair envelopes. Everything gets unpacked. First stage is to get it sterilised. It then gets logged onto our system and packaged up. The serial number of the hand piece is tracked all the way through the repair process. As we come through into the new repair facility, through the workshop here, we've got all the equipment to get all the testing done, to get the repairs done. Once a quotation is approved by the customer, we then go ahead and fit the repair parts that are needed in that particular handpiece, get it all tested again to make sure it's in perfect working condition when it goes back to the customer. It then gets packaged up into environmentally friendly repair boxes, which can be used time and time again. So this whole new facility has given us a much bigger capacity to deal with the repairs, but deal with a much greater number of repairs per day in a very efficient manner because of the layout of the very spacious workshop that we now have.